Solving customer needs goes all the way back to the origin of Olympus Lock. The genesis of every lock on the shelf was a customer had a problem and we engineered a solution. So consistent with our mission, which is to design products that solve the needs of our customers, we're really excited to announce the Cascade Series cabinet locks from Olympus Lock. The Cascade Series cam lock is a disc tumbler cam lock that incorporates our patented staple technology, which retains the plug, thus allowing us to ship the lock semi-assembled, which means that when our locks show up, you don't need the keys to install the locks. You simply put it into the cabinet, put your fixing nut on, your cam and your screw, and you're done. Also, we've standardized the plug, so whether you're looking for an 1.5 inch cam lock or a 3/4 inch cam lock, it's going to come with the same plug. On the back end, that allows us to fill large and small orders alike incredibly quickly, which will save time, which ultimately saves money. This lock is available in a bright nickel finish as well as a matte black, and we're really excited about this new product. We can't wait for you to get a sample. Go ahead and contact your local distributor or give us a call directly. We know you're going to love it as much as we do.